Hi everybody, this is Keisha. I wanted to come on really quick with our amazing enrollment sale that's going on right now and just talk to you guys really quick about what comes in the kit. I can't remember if I had done a video on that in the past. So I found a quiet spot in my room because it's crazy around here, like I'm sure it is with a lot of you guys right now being home. But I just wanted to show you for $49, you are getting $300 in product, and that's what's on um, this little rack. So I just wanted to go through so you can see. Now it does say that they're allowed to substitute. So if for some reason they don't have one of the items, then there's a possibility that something could change. But this kit has been the same for at least a year where they haven't had to substitute anything. So I just wanted to show you what you would get, and that is going to include a mini. So this is the mixed metals, so the metals mini that has the rose golds and the different colors there. Then the next size up is going to be these two extra smalls right here. So this is our Celtic Knot, one of our best sellers in that nickel finish, as well as Southwest. And you can see there's some coordinating pieces. So this leather right here, this headband, the Southwest, or this tawny clip, they all kind of coordinate. So that's kind of a neat thing. These again are the two extra smalls. So you've got one mini, two extra smalls. The smalls that you're getting is this tawny clip. My lighting's not the greatest, but I wanted to do the video quickly anyway. But this has like the autumn kind of brassy color along with the different copper tone beads and the turquoise beads. That's a size small. And the other size small is actually the best-selling peacock clip that's called Colors on Parade. That's hanging up here. And I know it's not being displayed the best up there, but you can kind of get a feel. So that's the small. So there's two smalls. You're also going to get two mediums. That's this bow. This is a size medium, and this violet clip, this purple violet clip, is also a size medium. And you're going to get one size large, and that's the dogwood over here. And you can see that the dogwood coordinates with the matching U-pins up top. So that's kind of fun. And then it can also mix and match with the headband. So you're going to get one size large. So one mini, one large. There are two sizes above that that are bigger. You're not going to get either of those sizes. So then you have U-pins. So you're going to get the Celtic Knot U-pins. Again, that coordinates nicely with the Celtic Knot clip. It also is really pretty when paired with our turquoise headband. So you'll have two sets of U-pins to show off, and then the bobby pins. So these are the lovely circle bobby pins. I think they're currently out of stock right now. So I'm not sure which bobby pins you'll get in the kit. I know the kits are pre-packaged, so that's the ones that have been coming with them. And on this side, you're going to see you're going to get a big shaped U-pin. Typically it was there's a triangle one, there's a squared one, there's this rounded one, the safety pin, there's a rounded one. But you'll get one of these really big pins as well. I don't think they've been putting the swerves in the kits yet. And then you'll have two hairbands. So this happens to be the triple stranded leather headband. So that one you would only, you can see the elastic attaches straight to the three strands. The other headbands that we have do remove, and so those could be removed and attached. And then you're going to get two leathers. So this turquoise leather is a size, I think that's a size small, and I think this, I don't remember, so I've pieced the kit together based on the pictures and the information. So this might actually be one size bigger, and I think it's a large, a medium or a large. And you can see it comes with the regular stick, and it also comes with the decorative end stick, so you could mix and match, so you get to show that off as well. So technically you're getting an extra hair stick there. So that is all of the products, again, for $300 worth of product that you're going to be getting for $49 with our deal. It does go up every week during April. This is 2020, and our owner just really wanted to make it affordable for people that maybe want to start a business, and so that is the price that we have in April. So I've never seen it this low, $49 when I joined. All I got was 5 flexi clips for $49. So this is an amazing steal of a deal. You can get the products, you can sell them, you can wear them yourself, you can kind of buy for friends and family and call that good. There's really no restrictions. So just so you know, it's $29 a year to stay active. So a lot of ladies buy over Black Friday. There's some great sales. It's Christmas time for gifts. And, if you didn't want to sell, then that would be a way to stay active. So This is a set of business cards. You're going to get some business cards. You're going to get what we call our Lilla looks. This, you can mark people's sizes. It has kind of like a mini catalog. You're also going to get a product information sheet. This is great. This tells people how to use the product, so you can hand that out. You're going to get some information about how to host, the receipts. And then, I don't know, these were the catalogs that used to come with it, these really nice, whoops, upside down, gorgeous big catalogs. We also have a really pretty smaller version, so some subset of those catalogs will also be in the kit. I think they were doing the bigger ones, but the little ones are awesome, so they might have shifted to those. And then you'll get a little guide that kind of tells you a little bit about the company with the stylist information. That folder will be in there as well. And like I said, it's $49 through tomorrow. So April 7th. April 8th, it's going to go up to $59. And then 7 days after that, it goes up to $69 and then $79 at the end of April. So a great deal, like I said, a lot of potential. You know, your website is absolutely free with this company. So, you know, if somebody likes what you're wearing, you hand them your little card and say, well, if you'd like some, here's my website. So that doesn't cost you anything. And then you get up to 30 to 45% or more commission depending on your orders for the month. So you're always going to get 30% off the products, which is a fantastic deal also. So if something, you know, you wanted to buy this month, you could sign up and then you get your discount immediately. Any questions that you guys have, please reach out. I just wanted to take a minute to show that off for those of you who hadn't seen what was in the kit before. And sometimes, I know my lighting is awful because I waited really, really late to do this tonight, but I didn't want to wait any longer. But I wanted you to get a little bit closer look at what comes in that $49 deal. So don't wait if you're looking at doing it. It's a great opportunity. It's a great time. So I think that was everything I wanted to say. Thanks.